In today's video, I'll teach you how to create NBC Sports account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in nbcsports.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of NBC Sports. So in order to access the NBC Sports account, you'll actually have to create the NBC Universal account. So in order to do that, click on the account icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is click on this option, login or create profile. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of NBC Sports. Simply wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be able to create your NBC Universal profile. You'll be able to find the methods over here: email, Google, Apple. You can click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option, create profile with email. If you also do that, you can see over here you'll have to enter your email and password. Click on the field of email. Now what you have to do is enter the email address with which you want to create the account. Now after you do that, enter your password. Make sure to create a strong password. Your password must contain at least 10 characters. It must contain a letter and number. So simply create the password accordingly. Now after you do that, check on this box, I have read and agreed to NBC Sports Terms of Use. Now check on this box, I have read and agreed to NBC Universal's Terms of Use and Privacy Policy. Now click on this option, create profile, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you can complete your NBC Universal profile. You can enter your first name, last name, birth year, gender, state and zip code. Here I'm just going to click on this option, maybe later. Now you can see over here your account has been created. Click on this option, explore NBC Sports. Now you can see over here your NBC Sports account has been created. So that is how you create NBC Sports account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.